These are the notes on ratios. A ratio is a comparison of two quantities by division. Here's an example of a ratio. We have the ratio of squares to triangles is 3 to 4. If you look at the picture, we have three squares and 4 triangles. That's where the ratio came from. There's 4 ways to write a ratio. You can write a ratio using the word 2 in between the numbers, a colon in between the two numbers. You can write it as a fraction, or you can use the words out of to compare the numbers. We use ratios to compare. So in this word problem, we have a department store conducted a study to determine what age group shops in their store. Write the ratio that compares the numbers of customers that are ages 0 to 17 years old and the total number of customers. So we've got to write the ratio as a fraction in simplest form. The first thing I want to do is write the ratio in original form. Okay, we've got 15 people that came into the store during their study that were ages 0 to 17. To find out to compare it to how many customers came into the store, we have to add up the total numbers to get 110. 15 to 110 is our ratio. But we need to write that ratio as a fraction in simplest form. So we would write it as 15 over 110, just like as a fraction. But now to get it into simplest form, we would simplify it by its greatest common factor. Greatest common factor between 15 and 110 is 5. So we divide each number by 5 and get 3 over 22 as our fraction in simplest form. So the answer to this question is 3 over 22. So what that means is that for every 22 customers that come into the store, 3 of them were the ages from 0 to 17. Okay, and here is your practice problem. Complete the problem, make sure you write your ratio as a fraction in simplest form, and then come back or come and show me your completed notes.